Welcome to the introduction to Microsoft Excel 365 View tab, Part 11 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Excel View tab, Part 11 of 12, Sheet View Group, Workbook Views, Normal, Page Break Preview, Page Layout and Custom Views, Show Group, Navigation, Grid Lines, Formula Bar, and Headings. Zoom Group, Zoom, 100%, and Zoom to Selection. Window Group, New Window, Arrange All, Freeze Panes, Split, Hide, Unhide, and Switch Windows. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see Excel 365 Video 1. View tab. The first group, Sheet View, is grayed out. It's only active if a document is stored in SharePoint or OneDrive. The Ruler command is also grayed out. It will only be active when you use Page Layout in the Workbook Views group. View side by side and synchronous scrolling will only be active when you have two open windows. Workbook Views group. Review, Normal View, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout View. Normal View displays a document in a normal view. Page Break Preview displays where the page breaks will appear when the document is printed. Preview of the printed document. Save the print settings as custom view that can be used in the future. Normal View. Page Break Preview. Blue lines indicate where the pages will break when printing. Create multiple reports that meet different needs of different clients and employees using one report. Custom Views allows you to hide and unhide rows and columns, which creates a different report each time. To hide or unhide rows or columns, select the worksheet you want to practice with. Click on Custom Views. Dialog box opens. Click Add. Name your copy. Click OK. The inventory clerk does not need to know the amount of revenue generated by the sales. He or she only needs to know the name of the item, price, units ordered and sold. Right-click on column E, scroll down, and click Hide. Click Custom Views, click Add, and name the view. We'll name this one Inventory. The report now contains only the information needed by the inventory clerk. Right-click on the green vertical line and click Unhide. Column E is now visible, or just click Undo. The sales clerk and the customer only needs to know the item and the sale price. Hide the columns that are not needed. Click Custom Views, click Add, and name the view. The financial clerk only needs to know the total profit for the day in order to make a deposit. Hide the columns, click Custom Views, click Add, name the view. The sales manager needs the full report in order to analyze the data. This time there's no need to hide any columns or rows, but you can click Custom Views, click Add, and name the view. As you can see, you can generate multiple reports using custom views, using as many columns or rows as you like. Show Group. When you click on Navigation, it opens on the right side of the window. It displays each sheet in the workbook. If you click on one of the sheets, a drop-down list will reveal what is on the sheet. Clicking on Sheet 1, the list shows the data and the objects. With grid lines, unchecking grid lines removes them from the sheet. With formula bar, unchecking formula bar hides the formula bar. With headings, unchecking headings removes them from the sheet. Zoom allows you to select the amount of magnification you would like. The first example is set on 75%. The second is set on 100%. After you make your selection, click OK. Zoom to selection enlarges the selected cells so the selected cells are the primary focal point. New window opens a second window, allowing you to work on the same worksheet in different areas. You must restore down the first window before clicking on the new window. Arrange All allows you to view two or more open files at the same time. If you only have one file open, click on New Window or select a second file. Splitting a worksheet allows you to see two regions at the same time using the scroll bars. To undo the split, simply click Split again. Before clicking Hide. Clicking Hide hides all data on the sheet. Clicking Unhide opens the Unhide dialog box. Select the sheet you wish to unhide. All data becomes visible again. After clicking Hide, select the sheet to unhide. All data visible. There must be two active windows open at the same time before view side by side and synchronized scrolling. Reset window position becomes active. The worksheets can be from different workbooks. Click on the sheet you wish to use for comparison. Click Synchronize Scrolling if you wish to scroll both worksheets at the same time. Compare two sheets at the same time by using switch windows. View side by side must be turned on first. Click Switch Windows and a dialog box will appear. Select the window you wish to compare. Switch Windows works like a toggle switch. Taskbar displays there are two open workbooks. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Part 2 of Review tab, Part 11 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 11. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Part 12 of Microsoft Excel 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.